Hey everyone, welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. Today, I'm going to show you how to install an amazing Kodi add-on that every anime and cartoon fan will love. Watch NixToons 2. Whether you're into dubbed anime, subbed anime, or classic cartoons, this add-on has it all. So let's dive into the quick step-by-step guide. First, head to the Kodi home screen and click the System Settings icon at the top left. From there, go to File Manager. On the left side, click Add Source and then click where it says None. Type in this URL exactly: https teamcrew.github.io. Once done, give it a name. I'll call it Crew, but you can name it whatever you like. Click OK, double check your details and hit OK again. Now go back to the main menu and click Add-ons. At the top left, you'll see the add-on package installer icon. Click it. Select Install from zip file. If you get a warning pop-up, just enable unknown sources and click Yes. From the list, choose Crew, and then click the file named repository. The Crew 0.3.7.zip. The version might differ, so go for the latest one. Wait for the installation notification to appear at the top right. Once that's done, go to Install from repository. Select the Crew repo, then Video Add-ons, and finally choose Watch NixToons 2. Hit Install and wait for the magic to happen. And that's it. You've successfully installed Watch NixToons 2. Now you can enjoy the latest anime, cartoons, and so much more. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Before you start streaming, make sure you're protecting yourself online. Check out the link in the description below for an exclusive deal on a tool to keep your streaming private and secure. Trust me, it's worth it.